Good afternoon. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. Welcome back to a new vlog. So today is Wednesday, and I'm heading out to go and pick Neva from summer school. Yes, summer school. They close by 4:30. It's currently 4 o'clock right now, and I'm headed to store to pick 1 or 2 things for the house I'm going to be using this evening. So let me start my vlog and take you guys through this evening or this afternoon with me. Okay, let's go.
I've searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here.
Good afternoon. Welcome to this vlog, and it is a continuation vlog, yes, which I started yesterday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and I'm about to make dinner. So let me just sit here or stand here and chat with you guys before I go ahead and make my dinner. If you're wondering what I have in my bag, I have my baby here. Oh, he's sleeping already. So he was finished sleeping and he was crying. I have to put him in my bag so that if he will sleep, I will have time to make my dinner. Okay? Let's go and start.
In His name I find the joy I seek. I've searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back into a new, is it a new vlog? I don't know, continuation vlog. I have not vlogged since on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. I'm taking my daughter out for lunch. Yeah, I promised her this for a very long time now, just like 2 months plus now. When she wrote her exam, I told her that I would take her out for lunch, that she would do Chinese or Italian. She choose Italian. Said we should go to the Italian restaurant. Okay, I thought I'll come and say hi. She don't want to come. No, come. No, we don't want to see this girl. So we are going to the restaurant. I said let me start my vlog and take you guys through it because she did well. She did a great job, and I promised that lunch for her or dinner. She said lunch is okay. So we are doing that today. Okay, just 2 of us. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye. Like this. Like this. Salsicha. Let me bring the cup. Thank you. Hey guys, so we just finished eating. We are in the center of the city. We just say let us sit here, the sun here, and take fresh air a little before we head back to the sun. Ciao.